There is a groundbreaking discovery that could revolutionize kidney health. A simple vitamin could hold the key to reversing one of the most common yet often overlooked kidney damage. I will unveil this remarkable finding and explore how it could potentially repair and heal your kidneys fast. Kidney health is crucial, but many are unaware of the silent threats that lurk, such as proteinuria. Proteinuria, or excess protein in the urine, is a telltale sign of kidney damage, often stemming from underlying conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. Researchers have found a common vitamin that shows promise in both stopping proteinuria and restoring kidney health. Proteinuria, if left untreated, can lead to serious kidney diseases and even cardiovascular issues. Its causes range from diabetes to hypertension, underlining the importance of proactive kidney health management. I will be revealing the role this vitamin plays in kidney repair right after you do me a small but significantly important favor, which will only take you a few seconds to complete, and it does not cost you anything. Support my channel by clicking on the thumbs up button to show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Also, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, then select all to get access to all the other videos that are on my channel and to stay up to date with any other videos that I will be posting. Clicking on the subscribe button also helps with the growth of my channel. Damaged kidneys can lead to a cascade of health problems, from uremia to cardiovascular issues. Early detection and treatment are crucial for preserving kidney function. Vitamin D emerges as a beacon of hope in combating proteinuria and kidney disease. It modulates the renal system, reduces inflammation, and aids in kidney repair. Keep watching to find out regulatory effect of vitamin D on the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. Vitamin D's regulatory effect on the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system helps lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and promote kidney healing. Sources of vitamin D. Many countries fortify foods with vitamin D to help prevent deficiency. This includes products like milk, plant-based milk alternatives, orange juice, and breakfast cereals. Certain varieties of mushrooms can provide vitamin D, especially when they are exposed to sunlight. However, mushrooms produce vitamin D2, a form that may not be as effective as the D3 found in animal products. There are several natural food sources rich in vitamin D, as well as options for supplementation to ensure you meet your daily needs. Dietary sources of vitamin D. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of vitamin D. A single serving of cooked salmon can provide more than half of the recommended daily amount. Cod liver oil is particularly high in vitamin D, offering more than the daily requirement in just a single tablespoon. Eggs are a convenient source of vitamin D, with the yolks containing the vitamin D. Opting for eggs from chickens that have been raised outdoors or fed vitamin D-enriched feed can provide higher levels of vitamin D. Individuals that are unable to meet their vitamin D needs through diet and sunlight alone can choose supplements. Supplementation can be an effective way to maintain adequate levels of vitamin D. The recommended dietary allowance (RDA) for vitamin D varies by age, health status, and exposure to sunlight. Generally, 600 to 800 IU 15-20 micrograms per day is recommended for most adults, with higher amounts advised for older adults, pregnant, or breastfeeding women and individuals at risk of deficiency. For a proper dosage that would be specific for your situation, consult a medical practitioner. Keep watching to discover the holistic importance of vitamin D and the effects of incorporating vitamin D into your daily routine. Links to where you can get vitamin D supplements will be in the description of this video. If you use any of the links provided to make a purchase, I will get paid a small commission. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, meaning it can accumulate in the body to potentially toxic levels if taken in excessive amounts. It's important not to exceed the upper intake level of 4,000 IU, 100 micrograms per day for adults, unless under medical supervision. Consult a medical practitioner before starting any new supplement, including vitamin D. A kidney-friendly diet is essential for minimizing the strain on your kidneys and reducing the risk of kidney disease. Here are some key tips. Limit sodium intake. High sodium levels can increase blood pressure, harming the kidneys. Opt for fresh, unprocessed foods and use herbs and spices instead of salt for flavoring. Control protein consumption. While protein is an essential nutrient, excessive amounts can burden the kidneys. Aim for a balanced intake, focusing on high-quality protein sources like lean meats, fish beans, and legumes. Watch potassium and phosphorus levels. Advanced kidney disease may require you to monitor and limit foods high in potassium and phosphorus. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps the kidneys clear sodium and toxins from the body. However, it's important to balance fluid intake if you have a kidney condition that affects fluid balance. Incorporate foods that support kidney health, such as berries, apples and vegetables like cauliflower and bell peppers, which are low in kidney-stressing nutrients. Beyond kidney health, vitamin D supports immunity, bone health, mental wellness and cardiovascular health, highlighting its importance in overall well-being. A kidney-friendly diet, regular exercise and healthy lifestyle choices are crucial for maintaining kidney function and overall health. By incorporating vitamin D into your daily routine and adopting a holistic approach to kidney health, you can take significant strides towards protecting your kidneys and improving your overall well-being. Thank you so much for joining me on this enlightening journey into the world of kidney health and the role of vitamin D. Your time, interest and engagement are genuinely appreciated. If you have any comments, thoughts or personal experiences you'd like to share, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. By sharing this video with your friends and family, you might inspire them to start their own health journey. Remember, staying informed and proactive about your health is the first step towards a healthier, happier life. However, I must stress that the information shared in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It's not meant to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. We all have unique dietary needs and health conditions, so before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, please consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. So, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Consider this information as a starting point and remember to act today for a healthier tomorrow. Stay tuned for my next video, and in the meantime, stay healthy, stay happy and keep learning.